Hey friends, if you wish to fix your computer maybe sending automated queries error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to clear the browser data. Open the browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time and then click on clear now. The next solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to scan for malware on your system. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on this MRT tool or the malware removal tool. Wait till it loads, click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it run through. And the last solution will be to power cycle the modem, router and computer, and this is in case of an APIPA IP address. So here's what you have to do. Switch off the modem, router and computer, all the three devices, and then switch on the computer only. Sorry, switch on the modem only, not the computer, not the router, only the modem. Wait till all the lights are stable. Once this has been sorted out, then switch on the router only and wait till all the lights are stable and then switch on the computer. Now what happens is that it will pick the IP address in the correct manner. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.